Elegant geometry can make a product poster look sophisticated while keeping the layout simple and easy to understand. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Choose a clean, refined background. Then open the Elements panel and search for thin circles, arches, rectangles, lines, and subtle geometric shapes. Start with one or two large shapes behind the product. Then add smaller geometric accents around the text. Now upload your product image and position it prominently so it remains the main focus. Next, add an elegant headline, a short product description, pricing, and a clear call to action using clean and stylish fonts. Keep the color palette limited to